Do you struggle with the hazard perception part of the theory test? I'll be holding a hazard perception workshop. I hold them regularly, but the next one is the 21st of May, starting at 7 p.m. until 8:30 p.m. So a focused 90-minute session covering everything you need to know about hazard perception, how to score well, what you should be clicking for, what you shouldn't be clicking for. With the hazard perception test, you should be clicking for developing hazards. Developing hazards that are moving. People are clicking for the wrong type of hazard. But we'll go over that. I'll tell you how many times to click and when to click and where to click so that you can feel completely confident, and you'll get better at hazard awareness as well, which is going to make you a safer driver. I'll pop the link below this video if you want to attend my hazard perception workshop. It's only £15, and after the workshop you will get the recording. So even if you can't come along to the workshop, the day after the workshop you'll get a recording. You'll also have my hazard awareness ebook to read, and you have those things, the recording and the ebook, for 4 weeks. So the link for the hazard perception workshop is below this video.